Tawagin na natin si Tito Archie Liao.
Ay, oo nga pala. May tanong pala siya. Charot. Kalimutan
Okay,
ko.
okay
Go, Arch. Tayo ka naman para mahagip ka ng camera. Ka-shades.
Good afternoon. Ang question ko ay para kay Elise. Sa palagay mo ba ngayong nagsosolo ka, mas nag-grow ka as an actress? Na walang ka-love team?
I think may pros and cons ang pagiging solo artist. But to answer your question, yes, I think a lot of personal development and also development in terms of career and the quality of work, syempre mas nakakapag-explore and kumbaga, mas meron kang mahuhugot sa sarili mo because you know that you're not relying on anybody else but yourself. So, yun. So, parang sa akin, masaya din meron kang kasama na ka-love team or ka-partner. But, we have to grow. Parang ano lang yan eh. Batang mag-start ng adult life niya. Parang ganun ko po nakikita. We have to learn to work with other people and or in order to grow and develop your craft. So thankful din po ako na ngayon nandito na ako sa pagiging solo artist. But of course, I would want to work with, syempre, nahiya. Syempre, I would love to work with my partner.
Okay. If I may share lang, Archie, yung history niya, di ba? They were a phenomenal love team and then something happened and then nagpahinga. We took care of her, the love team, individually, and then we asked her, are you ready to do something else? Which is, sinalang namin siya sa Dirty Linen. Excellently, she did well. That started na marami pang pwede ibigay si Elise, kaya andito siya ngayon doing talagang challenging roles. You know, that's the story.
Yes,
Alam mo
thank you
naman
so
yan,
much po.
how much we
Sir
take
Deo
care
and
of you.
Dreamscape, thank you so much.
Ayun.
Pero is it something na pinag-usapan din yun ni McCoy?
Iba ang management niya, iba ang management kasi ni
Yes.
McCoy. Kaya pwedeng anin na muna natin si McCoy kasi. Baka sa
Tsaka,
probinsya,
yeah.
Batang Quiapo press con, tanongin natin. Charot. Thank you, Arch. Love
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Para more press cons, more fun. Go, Justin.
Ayan. Our next question is a lifestyle question. Babasahin ko from
Ay, taray, baka naman mahaba ang sagutan yan, ha?
Zoe Madraso from Davao Digital Creators. She's also a fitness vlogger. So, ang tanong niya is for Elise and Alexa. Like, how do you take care of your body? Or how do you stay fit kahit na busy kayo sa pag-film ng itong Pira-Pirasong Paraiso?
That's for
Alexa and Elise.
Alexa and Elise. Ano? Oo, nakaka-offend para sa akin. Na-offend din ako, ha? All for girls.
Siguro all for girls.
Mabilis na lang nasagot. All sexy girls natin. Alexa.
Go, Elise. For me, simple lang po. Pag napanood ko na tumataba na ako sa TV, magbabawas na ako ng kain. Ganun lang. Not strict. No strict
may
diet.
Cut down on what?
Cut down on carbs and rice.
Of course,
Yun ang pinaka
yan.
nakakaano po sa
Sweets.
akin.
Hindi
Sweets,
naman.
hindi naman. I mean, I'm not much of I'm not
Sweet tooth ever naman.
hindi ako masyadong
Hindi ka
sweet tooth.
mahilig.
So, sa kanin talaga.
So, ganun lang pala. Ano lang, balance lang. Kakat down lang niya, tapos babalik na siya sa form niya. Oh, Charlie, ikaw na rin daw. Pwede na sumag. Sexy ka naman eh.
Wag na po.
Wow! Ang ganda ng skin mo ngayon, ha?
Thank
What's
you,
your
AJ.
fitness or any beauty regimen naman to share?
Hindi, actually, kung mapapansin nyo po, nung unang season, halos lahat kami bilugan talaga dun.
Totoo.
Tapos siguro sa dami ng eksena namin, na mga iyakan, lahat kami nagpayatan din po talaga nang hindi sinasadya. Opo.
Paano yung food ni at Tita Cookie, ni Miss O, gano'n?
Ayun, doon po kami bumabawi. Kapag may baon sila, yun, nagpapakain po sila. Kaya pag ganun talagang lahat kami kumpleto po kasi, ay, ang sarap ng pagkain.
Sino
tas
nagluto
sabay-sabay.
ng
kami.
paksiw, ganyan.
Si Miss
na.
Miss
Oo,
O.
so-
May Tupperware siyang malaki, tas for all talaga. At saka
Talaga.
yung gusto niya may kubyertos kayong lahat. Ganun. Hindi ko
Nakakatuwa, may
makalimutan
dala daw
yan,
si Miss O na kubiertos na para daw masarap ang kain. Tama ba yun?
Para mainit pa yung
Ay, di
kakainin
plastic
mo.
yung
Ganun.
Oo, hindi yung plastic na spoon and fork,
Opo.
no?
Saka gusto niya mainit talaga yung kakainan. Halimbawa, late dumating yung isa sa lamesa. O, init muna yung pagkain nito ni ganyan. Ganun po si
Sweet.
Miss O. Sobrang
Alright.
sweet.
Thank you.
Opo.
Loy, ikaw na rin daw. Huwag ka na magtampo.
Ako po, ito nasabihan ko na. 1 meal a day lang ako.
Wow.
OMAD.
Ever since? Oo, OMAD.
Neto, nung
24
mga November,
hours
mga
fasting,
October po.
parang ganon.
Kasi nga pag
23.
nag-action, umaangat po yung kinain ko nung lunch. Kaya parang wag na lang kumain muna.
Talaga, huy, totoo yan. Ha?
Opo.
Napaka-healthy ng OMAD. That's like 23 hours fasting, 1 hour feasting. Wala kang low carb or
Iniiwasan ko po
keto?
yung meat. Puro
iwas
gulay po, chop suey, lagi ako nagluluto, gising-gising, pinakbet.
Do you
ganyan
like
po.
sweet, sugar, ganon? Hindi.
Dati po nung bata ako, pero ngayon, buti na lang nagsawa na ako sa mga chocolates. Mas gulay po yung kinakain ko
Ay,
ngayon.
beautiful. Thanks for sharing. Lex,
What works for me personally is I really enjoy going to the gym. So I work out at Sparta. I work out every day if I can.
every day?
Almost every day. If I have late call, I'll be at
Ilang
the gym
oras?
first. 1 hour lang naman po.
Ah.
Every day. And what works for me is I can't do starvation. I can't do the one meal. What works for me is instead of restriction, you add what you need in your diet. So you need more fiber, more protein to make a complete nutritious meal because it's what my body needs to function and to work properly to be able to deliver. And of course, I'm not gonna lie, I have treatments done at Bello. They take care of me and I take Lux Slim. All of those things, they really help me maintain this. Not that I feel like I'm perfect or I'm at my goal. I haven't reached my goal yet. But yeah, just maintaining what's good for you. Not because all of us, we have different bodies. So what works for them may not work for you. So you have to find that yourself.
Bekenemen, Lux Slim, and Bello.
Ma'am Ana.
Shot
Pero
net.
yung The Bloom Project, masarap din yung, sila, healthy drinks. Nag-promote din. Ako din yung iniinom ko. Kasi,
Lubusin nyo na. Oh.
hindi,
Mama,
wheat
Pagalitan tayo.
grass.
ang ganda ng skin ko. Thank you po sa Tokyo White. Oo.
Yan ba yun?
Promise.
Ano pa?
Thank you, Kathy Valencia Clinic.
Yes,
Ay, oo
and
naman.
also
Lux
Lux
Slim.
Kathy, thank
Sige,
you.
pagalitan tayo ng manager. Charot na.
Sorry
Hindi,
po.
secret reveal. Yun po yung mga secret namin.
Oo. Of course, syempre naman. Justin, where are you?
Ayan, lumipat na ako dito. Our
Ay, oo
next set
nga.
of
Oo,
questions
there.
kasi manggagaling na sa ating
Ayan.
media friends from this side. Tawagin natin from Bix Boss, Bix Almacen.
Michael Bix Almacen. Tayo ka, Bix.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you.
Ang bongga-bongga ng show ninyo. At ang Friday trending sa X.
True.
Diba? Ang una kong tanong para sa KD Lex, since ang tagal ng pagsasama ninyo dito at unang teleserye ninyo, ano yung na-discover ninyo sa isa't isa? At nakatulong ba itong teleserye na to para mas mag-level up pa yung friendship ninyo?
May discoveries ba during the last 6 months together in a show?
Yes po, actually, discoveries as a co-actor
Yes.
and discoveries as a partner. Nakita ko how KD is very, very willing and he's very open, which I really appreciate. Kasi hindi mataas yung pride niya. Tinatanggap niya if I have some opinions or some comments. Kung may gusto lang akong i-share sa kanya, he willingly accepts. And he really takes it to heart naman. He doesn't get offended, which I'm so thankful for. Kasi, and he's not threatened. He's not threatened at all when I perform. Or what he wants for me is to give my best. And I really, really appreciate that kind of partner.
Sa akin naman, I discovered that Alexa is a beast in acting.
Oo.
Napakahusay. Napakahusay. And every time I'm in a scene with her, I'm always in awe of how she works. When she just reads the script, it's like, okay. Then when she's on the set, she's just a completely different beast. She's amazing. Napakagaling.
True.
And I discovered din that I'm pretty good at cooking. Kasi
Who
Ay,
is?
yes.
Me.
He's good at cooking kasi lagi niya akong binabaunan.
Nang ano, like what?
Whatever food.
Rice
Spam?
meals.
Ako talagang spam.
Yes,
Naluluto yun.
Whatever, kung ano yung i-crave ko, pag late call siya, magdadala siya ng food. Kasi alam niyang lagi akong, I want ganito, I want pang energy, I need fuel
Yeah.
talaga. So, lagi siya nagbibigay.
You personally prepare the food,
Yes,
Kate?
opo, I do. If I do have the time, the night before or on that day, just a few hours before, mag-iisip ako, ano gagawin ko? Then I just make something, kung ano meron sa ref, or ano, kung ano gusto niyo, ano cravings
Tapos
niya.
share ko naman din sa kanila, syempre, pati sa mga PA namin.
What's consistently her favorite food na she craves na ano na talagang by heart kaya mo nang gawin, lutuin?
What always works is ano, yung niluto kong pasta.
Wow.
Yeah, yung it's aglio olio, it's garlic and
Ay,
oil.
mabilis
It's very
lang,
simple,
ano lang
mabilis
naman.
lang. And ano, something indulgent. I know she's very healthy, pero kung gusto niya, if her diet allows her or if her
Gusto niya mag-cheat on whatever.
mag-cheat, yeah, something like that. I make her French toast with peanut butter and other things.
Still hindi naman
Yeah.
okay pa din.
Best.
Ang nice. Oh.
Pero mas
Hindi natin
nakatulong
alam.
ba itong teleserye ninyo na mas na mag-level up pa yung friendship ninyo? Since ang tagal ninyo nagsama.
Yes,
Yes,
po.
for sure po. Kasi, sa totoo lang po, nag-iiba ugali ko pag nasa set ako eh. Like, ewan ko kung good o bad, pero I've become too serious and too immersed in whatever project I'm doing. So, the fact that he understands that and he knows how to work around me and around that when I'm very in serious mode. So, I think that's really helped us to learn how to compromise and help each other.
Yun lang naman po. If I see her na, ay okay, seryoso to, sige, wag mo.
Kasi
Wag mo
Loy,
muna kausap.
Lex, sorry ha, kasi sa lahat ng girls, ikaw yung professional, you're a lawyer. So it entails...
Journalist. I'm a
Journalist po.
journalist.
A journalist, sorry. It entails a lot of research, di ba? Parang kailangan even the way, your language, everything. So talagang, it's a something different for you, di ba? Kaya medyo seryoso ka dahil doon.
Opo, and kasi nung binigyan po kami ng title na Next Gen Dramatic Actresses, I wanted to make sure that I deserve that title. So, I'm continuously working hard to deserve that.
Correct. AVP shoot pa lang natin, in-immerse mo na sarili mo sa pagiging journalist, remember? Alright.
How about UKD?
Sorry, what was your question again?
Kung nakatulong ba itong serye para mas mag-level up pa yung friendship ninyo?
Yes, of course. Yes. And there will always be trials naman when you're making a friendship with someone. There will always be trials like, okay, wait, she feels kind of cold, or am I being too noisy right now? Masyado ba akong maingay? Am I not too focused right now? Pero you just work your way around it kasi you need to. If you really want it, you work for it.
Cute ni KD na.
Yes.
Super conyo.
Baby, baby.
I know, right? Iniwan na po tayo ni Loisa at saka ni Charot lang.
Nag-CR lang po.
Nag-restroom.
Nag-CR lang po.
CR
Since
break.
wala pa sila,
Sincere na lahat eh.
Loini.
Nag-restroom lang,
Oo.
Vic. So, you may direct
ask ko
your
muna si
questions.
Miss Rosana
Please, we can have questions for
Miss
Miss O
Nuki.
and Miss Cookie.
Miss Rosana and Miss Nuki, since super galing ninyo umarte, kapag may mga young stars ba na nai-intimidate sa inyo dahil sa husay ninyong umarte, ano yung ginagawa ninyo para mawala yung intimidate nila sa inyo?
Kasi dapat mentoring na kayo, di ba? Parang, I mean, with this, working with this new generation, how do you make them feel
Parang di
relaxed, para hindi sila intimidated, para... Nagka-coachan sila.
Pasensya na kayo. Kasi parang I've never felt na ako'y parang napakagaling-galing naman na artista na ano. Totoo lang, hindi siya nagpapahambol. Parang, minsan nga pagka itong mga bata, natatouch naman ako yung sinasabi nila na, Tita, alam yun, nung una parang natatakot kami sa inyo na intimidate. Parang, ako nga na-intimidate sa kanila eh. Kasi,
Seryoso?
Oo, seryoso. Kasi I'm a fan too, as much as I am an actor. Ito mga batang to, hinahangaan ko sila. I mean, lahat ng mga makasama ko, I'm always in awe of them. So, ewan ko kung meron ako nai-input sa kanila, but siguro ang sa akin lang, I'm hoping, I'm praying that sa bawat sa mga bata dito sa specifically dito sa Paraiso, sana naipafeel ko sa kanila na I'm not any better or any less than the next person. Yung ako'y tita nila more than anything else. I'm a tita, I'm a human being. Wow, ganun eh, no? Yung hindi ko pina-feel na ako ay icon or although I'm very touched and thankful po talaga for the title and yung moniker na binibigay sa amin, mga senior stars, pero talagang ito hindi sa nagpapahumble. I'm clueless. I don't know. In terms of acting ha, hindi ko alam kung anong pwede ko may input. In the first place, napakagagaling naman itong mga batang ito. I'm learning from them sincerely. And I thank them again. I want to thank them. I want to take this opportunity to thank each one of them for making me feel at ease. And talagang support talaga sila sa akin. Hindi siguro naman malalabas ko yung hasinda ko, hindi sinuport ako, of course, ni Direk Raymond, naintindihan ako ni Direk, tinutukan talaga ako ni Direk, si Direk Dick, at ang mga bata talaga. Given na kasi yung mga kapatid ko dito na mga veteran stars eh. Pero yung mga bata talaga, touched ako sa kanilang work ethic.
Miss
They're so
Cookie,
professional.
5 decades of acting.
No, but you know, you can always learn every day from people, anyone. You know, it doesn't have to be that ang kailangan mong makasama isang veterano para matuto ka sa kanila. I'm always open to new experiences. Ito with our younger generation. And yun siguro, I hope I made them feel yung na para akong I'm just one of the guys in a way, in a lot of ways. I hope, ganun nga ba guys?
Yes.
Actually, nagpapababy nga ako sa mga batang ito eh. Oo, kasi ninenervyos talaga ako nung ginawa namin tong PPP. Ayokong magpaano, I don't want to magpa-impress na ako ay nagpapakatotoo lang. Nervyos talaga ako. Dahil ang tagal ko rin namang hindi lumabas. Tapos kontrabida pa na to the highest level. And sir,
Amanos
my
pala
love,
kay
thank
Direk
you very
Raymond.
much talaga for giving me this opportunity.
Alright.
Na sana po talaga naman nailabas ko din kahit papano sa tulong ng Panginoon at ninyong lahat. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss Cookie.
Clap,
Miss
clap,
O,
clap.
share.
Naiiyak na ako, magagaya na ako kay Kate. Kasi talaga they feel like a family to me. Sorry, I'm rolling. Give me the opportunity. Please, sorry, pasensya na. Pero, I know kasi after this, we will all have busy lives. But I just want to say that talagang in all the movies that I've done, the shows that I've done in my 53 years in the business, thank God, parang ngayon lang ako talaga naka-feel na yung parang ako'y at ease na at ease. And ewan ko ba, happy ako pagka, nine-nervous ako dahil ayoko ma-fail kay Direk Raymond, kay Direk Dick, pero kay Ma'am Hazel, sa mga co-stars, pero at sa mga crew and staff namin. But then, I really feel at home with them. Kasi nga itong mga batang to, napaka-supportive. At saka yung they're a breath of fresh air, walang attitude. Tapos makikita mo talaga na yung kahit na pagod na sila at ikaw rin nagkakamali ka, tao lang din po, na may halong nervyos pa rin, kahit sa edad kong ito. Yung, tita go, okay lang yan, tita go, you can do it. Yung, ay, love ko talaga silang lahat.
Hindi niyo nararamdaman na she's still needed in the industry, Miss Cookie,
I'm still a child inside.
when in-announce nung sa core nila Sir Nathan na you are joining the cast, talagang everyone is so excited na,
Thank you.
Yun naman pala, it's just a matter of offering lang naman pala. So she's willing pala to do projects.
And Sir Nathan, Sir Raymond, baka naman po may mga susunod mong nandito
of course.
na po ako.
Sir Deho knows that, and Miss Kylie.
Miss Kylie,
All
I'm
right.
here.
Thank you, Miss Cookie.
Thank you
Miss
so
O,
much.